Hi, and welcome to section 3 on working with cargo and modules. And in this video, we will speak about introduction to cargo. Specifically, we will talk about checking cargo, creating project with cargo, and building and running project with cargo. So first of all, open up your terminal, and here we will check the version of the cargo. For this, we should write cargo version. As you can see, we have installed the cargo on our computer. Now let's build a project with cargo. Cargo helps us build big projects with a lot of text. To build a project, let's write cargo new tut in the Rust folder. So first let's go to the Rust folder. And here let's create a cargo project named tut for tutorial. So we should write cargo new tut. Now our project has been successfully created. Next, let's open up the folder where our cargo project lives. Here is the folder for cargo project. And our code lives in main.rs file. So let's open this file in the text editor. Let's click File, Open File, and go to our Rust folder. And open up main.rs file. This is the file that runs by default. And here we will build our first cargo project. So let's just change the text of the main.rs file. Let's write program works, save it, and run our first cargo project. We'll do this by writing cargo build in the tut folder. So let's first go to the tut folder, and now let's write cargo build. Our project has been successfully built. Now let's execute the project. For this, we should go to the folder target and to the folder debug. Now we can write tut to run our program. As you can see, the program works. Now, in case you want to directly build and run your program, you should write cargo run in the main folder. So let's go to the main folder first. And now let's write cargo run. As you can see, our program has been built and ran successfully. Now, if you want to simply check your project, you should write cargo check. And as you can see, our program has been checked. And in case you want to build the program for the final release, you should write cargo build release. So let's write cargo build release. And now our project is ready for the release.